Factorize 2l cube plus 432m cube. First we write this algebraic expression in the form a cube plus b cube. Now if you look at the first term 2l cube, there is no number whose cube is 2. You cannot write any number as a cube of 2. So what we do in this case, since 2 is divisible by 2 and 432 is also divisible by 2, we take 2 common from both the terms. L cube plus 216m cube. So now let us see whether we can write L cube plus 216m cube in the form a cube plus b cube. L cube is a cube of L. 216 is a cube of 6 and m cube is a cube of m. Now we will use the expansion formula to L cube plus 6m the whole cube. So here a is L and b is 6m. The expansion formula is a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So replace a by L and b by 6m. Keep 2 as it is. Square bracket a plus b. A is L plus b is 6m. A square is L square minus a into b plus bracket 6m the whole square. And this bracket complete. 2 times L plus 6m L square minus 6lm plus law of indices ab the whole raised to m is a raised to m into b raised to m. So 6m the whole square is 6 square, that is 36m square. So that means the factor of the algebraic expression 2l cube plus 432m cube are 2 L plus 6m L square minus 6lm plus 36m square. So there are 3 factors for this algebraic expression. Question number 5. Factorize 24a cube plus 81b cube. The same problem as problem 4. If you look at the first term 24a cube, no number has cube 24. You cannot write any number as a cube of 24. But 24 and 81 both are divisible by 3. So take 3 common from both the terms. 8a cube plus 9b cube. Because when you multiply 3 inside, 3 8s are 24a cube plus 3 9s are is 81b cube. So now let us see whether we can write 8a cube plus 9b cube in the form a cube plus b cube. Eight is a cube of 2. A cube is the cube of a plus 9 is, here it will be 27, sorry. 27 is a cube of 3. B cube is a cube of b. So now we have written the expression in the bracket in the form a cube plus b cube. So we can directly use the expansion formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So here a is 2a and b is 3b. So we replace a by 2a and b by 3b. Square bracket, a plus b, a is 2a plus b is 3b. Another bracket, a square means 2a the whole square minus ab means 2a into 3b plus b square. B is 3b, 3b the whole square. This bracket complete and the square bracket complete. 3, 2a plus 3b as it is because we cannot add unlike terms. Law of indices, 2 square 4 a square minus multiply the coefficient 6ab and the variable plus law of indices 3 square is 9 and b square. Square bracket complete. So this is same as 3 2a plus 3b 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. So the factor of the given algebraic expression are 3, 2a plus 3b and 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Y cube is the cube of y. Now here we have fraction 1 upon 8 y cube. 1 is the cube of 1. 8 y cube is a cube of 8 is a cube of 2. Y cube is a cube of y. One into any power is 1 itself. So they have written 1 here. Actually it is 1 cube and 1 cube is 1. So they have written 1 only. So now you can use the expansion formula. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So here replace a by y and b by 1 upon 2y. A plus b means y plus 1 upon 2y. A square is y square minus a is y into b is 1 upon 2y plus b square means 1 upon 2y the whole square. Bracket complete. Unlike terms, write as it is y square minus 1 y is in the numerator and the other y is in the denominator, so you can cancel out the y. 1 upon 2 plus law of indices. Here I am using the law of indices. A upon b the whole raised to m is a raised to m upon b raised to m. So 1 upon 2y the whole square is 1 square and 1 square is 1. 1 raised to any power is 1 itself. 1 upon 2y the whole square. I'll explain it. The whole square is 1 square upon 2y the whole square. So 1 square is 1 upon, here again I am using the law of indices ab the whole raised to m, and ab the whole raised to m is a raised to m, that is 2 square 4, and b raised to m, that is y square 4y square. So the factors are y plus 1 upon 2y and y square minus half plus 1 upon 4y square. Now no terms in the bracket can be added because all the three terms are unlike terms. The last one, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. The last problem in the practice set. A cube is a cube of a. here you will see separately 8 is a cube of 2, a cube is a cube of a. Now if you want to check, you can use law of indices. A upon b the whole raised to m is a raised to m upon b raised to m. 2 cube is 8 and a cube is a cube. So now a is a and b is 2 upon a. So replace a by a and b by 2 by a. The expansion formula is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Replace a by a and b by 2 by a. A plus b means a plus 2 upon a square minus a into b is 2 upon a plus b square. B square means 2 upon a the whole square. You will put a bracket and then square, because this square goes to both 2 and a. If you are writing in this way, this is wrong. You have to put a bracket because square goes to both the term. This is the correct way of writing square of an expression. A plus 2 by a square as it is. One is in a, one a is in the numerator and the other is in the denominator. Cancel out. Minus 2 plus law of indices, the above one, 2 square 4 upon a square. So the factors are a plus 2 by a and a square minus 2 plus 4 upon a square. Now no terms in the bracket can be added because the terms are unlike terms. We cannot add and subtract unlike terms.